morning. I'm Michael Brannan, Department of Marine Resources here in the Bahamas.
Sandra Grant, Regional Manager for the Caribbean on the ACP Fish Stew Program.
Yes, good morning. I'm John Purvis from the Coordination Unit based in Brussels.
Now, I saved myself for the last, and that's the reason for that. I know
Work with no field activities. So just to bring us back to the regional action plans, which, as you know, contain all of the projects we aim to implement in the 6 regions. And here you just see a graph. The blue shading is the projects implemented in program estimate number 1, and then the red shading is the projects completed in PE2. So there you can see how the Caribbean region compares with the African regions in terms of the number of projects. It's all actually ended up quite, and components 3, 4, 5, a small balance. In terms of, again, comparing the 6 regions in terms of the budget spent in those 6 regions, you will see where the Caribbean region is here, spending about 3 million in DevCo have been approved, and all either implemented or are underway, except for a small number, around 12 or 13, which were cancelled. So it's 12 or 13 projects out of 180, almost 190 ACP-wide. 1A, the number of national fisheries policies formulated. We were aiming for an overall target ACP-wide of 61 documents. And at the time of preparing this table in September, something like 54 had been prepared. So we were able to achieve a target and final results as a result of the project. And then those projects where further actions are required by the beneficiaries in order to achieve some real change. So these are the 3 ways that we monitor our performance in terms of the production of the outputs, the quality of the outputs through the evaluation grids, and then the nature of the actual results by examining what happens after the output is prepared. On Tuesday, look in more detail at the regional lessons learned. I want to give you a few points on the positive and negative lessons that we have learned so far. Of course, the role of focal points is essential. There's nobody who would doubt that. It's essential and has in most cases ensured that.
Of course, other meetings with select groups like people in the Attorney General's office, the police department, and immigration, and so forth. So in fact, we consulted more than 366 persons. And here is a map showing the locations throughout the Bahamas where we had actual consultation meetings. So we didn't get to every island in the Bahamas. That wasn't practical. We had multiple consultations on some islands.